Welcome to Comment Catcher, the tool designed to help you sell more, stress less, and keep your live sales running smoothly. In this tutorial, you'll see how Comment Catcher turns the chaos of Facebook Lives into clarity, helping you grow your business while saving your sanity. On Facebook Live screens, you only see a handful of comments at a time, and they scroll by so fast, it's almost impossible to keep up. Even if you set up a desktop next to you, Facebook only shows a few more comments at a time. Not nearly enough when dozens are flying in every minute. Now let's take your live selling to the next level by showing the same stream side by side in Comment Catcher. Instead of being stuck with only 4 to 7 comments visible on Facebook, here you can see 26 lines of live comments at once. And it's fully scalable. Shrink the font to see even more, or enlarge it to make it easier on your eyes. We bold keywords and phrases, sales cues, questions, product mentions, and more. So your eyes are instantly drawn to the comments that need your attention. We take it to the next level with our exclusive highlighting feature. Key sales requests, questions, and product mentions are highlighted in specific colors, so entire comments stand out by topic, making it easy to instantly spot what matters most in the middle of all the chatter. Here you can see the key terms we highlight for you. Let's turn them all on. Sales requests show in green, questions in yellow, concerns in red, shares and other engagement in fuchsia pink, and jewelry mentions in dusty rose. Right away, the comments that matter most jump out. And if your eyes are strained or you're presenting from a little further away, you can simply increase the font size. Even scaled up, you'll still see 22 lines of comments at once. Clear, readable, and easy on your eyes. Thanks to the color cues, you can even glance away and quickly find your place again when you return. And one more thing. We curated a scientifically researched font for Comment Catcher's live displays. This font has been shown to help people read 20 to 90% faster, maintain or improve comprehension, and experience less eye strain and fatigue. That means you stay sharper, see more, and sell more without the exhaustion. As we've all experienced, Facebook drops comments at random. And when that happens, it could mean a lost sale, a missed question, or even a customer who feels ignored. Here's an example. The Facebook app actually dropped your very first sale of item 301, quantity 2, for Chloe. With Comment Catcher, that never happens. Every comment, every sale, every customer request is shown live and saved for review after, so nothing slips through the cracks. A key to success is nurturing new customers and growing them into your future VIPs. But when hundreds of comments are flying by, it's so easy to miss a brand new name. Comment Catcher doesn't let that happen. The moment a new shopper comments in your live, we place a green sprout emoji in front of their name for the rest of the show. From that very first comment, you'll know to welcome them warmly and start building that relationship. You can even dynamically search your live for a word, phrase, customer name, or product. And then snap right back into the streaming live with one click. And if you have helpers, each of them can be on their own device with Comment Catcher. They'll see the same comments, search just like you, and help you manage requests in real time. That means more eyes on the conversation, faster responses, and more productivity without extra stress. We also deliver a live sales summary with insights for each show, including how many new customers joined and their names, your total unique customers, the number of shares, and the total volume of comments. With this, you don't just have a record, you gain real insights into how your lives are performing and growing, like which days and times bring the most engagement, so you know exactly when to go live more often. Now let's dive hands-on into the sales history page. I'll walk you through its features step by step and show you exactly how to use them to get the most out of your lives. Your Comment Catcher's comment history page gives you clarity across all your lives. Instead of trying to remember which show did well or digging through Facebook, you can instantly see the key stats from every live in one simple view. At a glance, you'll see when you went live, your description, how many new customers, those new customers' names so you can nurture them into great customers, number of unique customers, number of shares in the live, and the number of comments you received with even more insights coming. That means you can quickly compare days and times to spot when your shows get the most engagement. And remember, when customers share your live, they're spreading your boutique across Facebook. It's good marketing practice to always include a live description for your live that includes your store's name. That's free marketing, and this page makes it easy to track who's helping you grow. Additionally, every live is fully searchable from your toolbar's search feature. You can search within one live or across all your lives at once, something Facebook simply doesn't offer since they don't have a search feature for lives. When you're reviewing your live summaries, you not only see engagement numbers at a glance, you also have the power to instantly pull up specific comments or patterns across your history. That means no more endless scrolling, no more missed opportunities, just quick insights that help you sell smarter, and display the results live by live in date and time order. Let's try an example search of all lives. If you want to find every time someone commented bin, just type it in search and we start looking and show the results. Sometimes you want to see the full comment history for one customer, maybe to understand their style, spot buying patterns, or find something they said before. With Comment Catcher, you can pull that up in seconds. Let's search for Riley Chambers. Instantly, every comment she's ever made is right here. This not only saves time, it gives you confidence you're seeing the whole picture and gaining real customer insights. Click the X in the search box during a live and it returns you back to live scrolling right where the last comment was just made. Now, let's open up a live and see how Comment Catcher can help you live and after your lives. Live sales include hours on your feet, staring at endless black and white text scrolling by. Much of it is chit-chat, but hidden in there are the comments that power your business. A customer trying to make a purchase, someone asking a question, or a shopper sharing your live. And the worst part? Facebook randomly drops comments, meaning you may never even see those critical customer engagements. That's lost sales, lost connections, and lost trust. That's why we've built Comment Catcher. It doesn't miss comments. Ever. Instead, it takes the chaos and makes it clear with a curated font that's easier on your eyes and improves comprehension, automatic bolding and highlighting of sales, questions, concerned comments, and even a little sprout icon so you can instantly spot a brand new customer. Instead of feeling drained or worried about what you missed, you can finally stay focused on the conversations that move your business forward. While this is the comment history page, the live experience is the same. This might look familiar. Endless black and white comments flying by for hours. You know how exhausting it is trying to catch the important ones, while 50 to 80% can be chit-chat. This page is where Comment Catcher helps you spot the gems in a sea of chatter. We curated a specific font for Comment Catcher that has been proven to enable up to 20 to 90% faster reading while improving comprehension with less eye strain and fatigue. This font was researched and developed by a woman innovator named Dr. Bonnie Shaver Taylor, and we appreciate her helping us empower our 99% women-owned businesses. Back at the top of the page at our toolbar, the search box can look up any comment or customer in this live, then switch right back to auto-scroll in real time by clicking the X in the search box. Since this live is open, let's search for item number 302. And here we go. 15 claim requests pop right up, including one customer who claimed 2 of them. That's how fast you can double-check sales from your live. No endless scrolling, no missed orders. Imagine trying to scroll back on Facebook. Click more, scroll again, click more, over and over just to find all those claim requests. Here in Comment Catcher, it takes seconds. On Facebook, some of these requests might never have shown up for you at all because Facebook randomly drops comments. With Comment Catcher, none are lost. Every request, every question, every customer comment is shown live and captured for review after, so you can focus on selling, confident that Comment Catcher captures every request and comment without anything getting lost. On the toolbar, you'll also see options to size comments up or down. So if your eyes are tired, or if you need a larger font while presenting, you can bump the text to your sweet spot. And the best part, Comment Catcher remembers your settings. So the next time you go live, it's already just the way you like it. We also have additional toolbar options in sales history to save your comments and use in a spreadsheet or print your live's comment history in just a click, making it easy to save, share, analyze, and always have a backup you can rely on. Looking further at our customer comments, notice Isabella Anderson's name. That little green sprout in front of any customer's name means she's brand new to your lives. You can welcome her right away and start building that relationship. Before, you might not even know you had a new customer until they told you. Now you'll never miss the chance to make that first impression count and make them feel seen. We bold key action words in real time so you can speed read and lock onto what really matters. Let's review these live sale comments. You can see here how spread the love, sprinkled, and shared are bolded. We do this for several categories of keywords and phrases, pulling your eyes straight to engagement, sales cues, questions, and product mentions, the words that actually grow your business. And we take it one step further with our exclusive highlighter feature. Customers don't always make their requests clear, and even mix chit-chat with a claim or question in the same long comment, and it's easy for sales, questions, or problems to get lost in the chit-chat. The highlighter, combined with the bolded keywords and phrases, helps cut through the noise, spotlighting natural sales cues, questions, concerns, key colors or product mentions, and even engagement like shares. Thus, you never miss the comments that lead to sales and stronger customer relationships. You can turn highlighters on or off anytime, whether you're in the middle of a live or reviewing afterward. For now, I'll turn them all on so you can see them in action. Here's the same page with highlighters turned on. Now every share, sprinkle, or engagement comment isn't just bolded. The entire comment is highlighted in color. Instantly, your eyes are pulled to the actions that help your business grow. No more digging through chit-chat to find them. And this is just first starting page of comments. Let's scroll further. You'll see how Comment Catcher highlights sales requests, product mentions, questions, and even problems. It's all about helping you pull the gems from the chit-chat so you don't miss the comments that actually drive your business forward. Customers are informal during lives and often use shorthand or unique language cues when they want something. Instead of you having to guess or scan every word, Comment Catcher simplifies and highlights those cues so you spend more time selling and engaging, and less time scouring comments. For example, a shopper might say, bin, X2, toss it in, I'll take it, I need it, or take 3. All of those purchase requests are automatically bolded and comment highlighted, so they pop right out for you. Customers don't always type neatly. They'll ask questions or make important statements without using things like a question mark, so it's easy to miss them in the chatter. For example, here you see one shopper asking if the necklace shown is a herringbone design, and another letting you know they sent a message that needs follow-up. Comment Catcher highlights these cues so they stand out, saving you from digging through casual comments and making sure you never miss a customer's need. At some point, every live hits a snag. Maybe your video freezes, the sound cuts out, or a troll shows up in the chat. Often, the only way you know is if customers start commenting their concerns, and those can easily get lost in the chatter. That's why Comment Catcher highlights these types of alerts in red. The moment a customer mentions a problem, it jumps out at you so you can address it right away. Whether that's fixing your stream or banning a troll before they disrupt your live sale, Comment Catcher was built to solve the struggles you face every live sale. Missed comments, lost sales, and constant fatigue. With clearer text, smart highlights, and insights you can act on, it gives you the power to run lives with confidence and ease. And we're just getting started. Even more customer insights are on the way to help you grow. Comment Catcher, your ride or die live sale bestie.